Hello friends, welcome to Famous Tech. This is Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can do hard reset or factory data reset in your phone Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. First of all, in your phone, press power button, long press this power button and click on power off and click here. Yes, your phone will be switched off. Just wait few seconds. Now you have to use power button and volume up button together. These two buttons are available on the right side of your phone. Just press them together. Press and hold these two buttons for about 1 to 6 seconds. Yes, hard reset menu has come. Here you have to select fifth option for selecting use volume keys. For confirming, use power key. So for moving down, use volume down key and press power key to confirm. Here select second option, factory data reset. Yes. Now you have to select first option, reboot system now. Yes, your phone is reset and you have to set your phone. Just follow the on-screen instructions and just select here Wi-Fi. Also, you can skip this step. You can sign in to Google accounts, otherwise skip it. You can sign in later. Click accept. Skip anyway. And you can select all apps here and click OK. Add finishing touches. You can sign in to Samsung account, otherwise you can set it later. Click on finish. Yes, your phone setup is finished. So in this way you can easily do hard reset or factory reset in your phone Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.